For the wisdom of elders, look not to Twitter. It is written in time, not online. And for their knowledge, read between the lines of their wrinkles. Let me tell you a story. It is written with the blood of my forefathers, woven around the tongue of their mother, and it has never been told in a foreign tongue. It is a tale of invention, bravery, and conquest that rival the exploits of the gods. They say we come from the land where rivers sing a song, to the sound of horns, gongs, the beat of talking drums, and the happy feet of a resilient people. I was told we are descendants of the immortals and mortals stronger than the immortals. I was told by moonlight tales of fatherland in the eloquence of mother tongue. Once upon a time, we were kings. From the womb of queens, of our outstanding humans, deities were made. Before ink met paper somewhere in the West, we cast words in iron, on parchment and scroll, tablet of stone, and the heart of those in search of greatness. We crafted masterpieces with gold, traveled far and wide, designed legal tenders, made medicines from herbs and roots, as our lingual invention was a thing of wonder. At the discovery of dignity in my identity, I joined an army of patriots who have Nigeria encrypted in their DNA. So, on a needle or thread I shall stand to defend our honor. I will make weary every adversary lest they tire. My songs of revelation I will sing to her in elation, and in swift succession my affection I'll profess in exaltation. Our fences I'll mend to the end, and from my end this land of honor I will tend. These are my words, words unscripted, thought unguided, my creed to her. In rain or pain, every letter I will remember. In gag or chain, every syllable I will mumble. What binds me to her is stronger than not the name we still can't comprehend, not the pledge we have failed to memorize, neither the anthem we have turned to lullaby or the flag we have refused to honor. What binds me to her is stronger than bond, not the oil that blinds our sight, not the bridge across Niger promised to mend our fences, neither the pieces of land around Niger, nor the vision of our colonial entities that bless the union, or the intention of the madam that named the country, Niger area. Rather, what binds me to her is in my bones and marrow, the blood we shed for our freedom, on this land that has refused to be shared. It's in the texture of my skin and the fabric on it. Call it black, say it white. What binds me to her is a puzzle. In the fine stripes of Angie, call it price, name it prize. What binds me to her is my pride. In the majesty of our Shoki, the prominence of Ishiagu, and the dignity in their stitches. It's in the east and the west, in the north and the south, and the middle of our belt. It's in the sound of their music and the beat of my heart. The eloquence of Gongo hailed the talking drum. The audacity of Agogo, yes, what binds me to her is in the rhythm of Ekwe and the rhymes of Kakaki. It's in the slow whine of Swange and the delicacy of Genge. It's in the women and their virtue, their grace and their curves, the beauty of their names and the magnificence of their essence. Amina led battles from Zazzau Kingdom. Moremi taught military tactics in Ile-Ife. Idia Iyesigi treaded the path on which men falter. Benin Kingdom was the place Iyoba made a mark. About women waged a war against tyranny and oppression. Fumilayo Kuti drove a car before men could start the engine. Then, it's in a man of valor. Baba Kori Erinigwa Je. Baba Kori Akoni Nide wa Fida Lale Gara. Aki Ako, Aki Ba Nija. Jaja would not be rude. Opobo was his throne. Ovorawen did not succumb to the whiteness of the skin. They say things fall apart, yet Achebe walked this path Saro-Wiwa defined courage, and the man died for a cause. Soyinka raised the bar, shining across the world the glory of Nigeria, that if you will bear, you must set forth at dawn. Tell your tale of woe. That is your story. But to the face of the world, I will tell her glory. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.